As the chosen one, Harry Potter was always destined to kill Voldemort. If he had not, which other witches and wizards deserved to take him down? Considering he was nicknamed the Chosen One, Harry Potter was never going to end with anyone other than the boy who lived killing Lord Voldemort. Their paths are intervened from the very beginning, and taking his nemesis down serves as the culmination of several years of Harry's character development. And in this video, we're gonna discuss about the 5 characters who deserve to kill Voldemort other than Harry. But before starting the video, if you are new here, then please subscribe to this channel because I keep bringing Harry Potter stuff every day. So if you don't want to miss Harry Potter videos, then please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update. And also you can follow me on Instagram if you want iconic and funny Harry Potter memes. Link is in the description. And soon I will start posting memes of Harry Potter again on this channel. So be with me, guys. And now without wasting any moment, let's begin the video. Number 1. Albus Dumbledore. Fans are split on whether Dumbledore is a hero or villain, but one thing everyone can agree on is that his beliefs make him the antithesis of the Dark Lord. After his past mistakes with Grindelwald, Dumbledore becomes the voice of reason in the Wizarding world, and he is renowned as the only man Voldemort ever feared. Considering it's Dumbledore's year of research into Horcruxes and the Deathly Hallows that set Harry up to kill Voldemort, the former Hogwarts headmaster already plays a big role in the villain's demise. However, taking him down personally would serve as a valiant ending for a man who once veered dangerously close to also pursuing the dark arts. Number 2. Regulus Black. Regulus is one of many Harry Potter characters fans never met whose death turned out to be incredibly important. Long before Harry and Dumbledore started hunting them, Sirius' youngster brother was the first to discover one of Voldemort's Horcruxes. Sadly, Regulus gave his life in the process after worshipping Voldemort and the dark arts through his adolescent years. This act does serve as a redemption of sorts. However, Regulus actively taking down the person who tweets his beliefs of so many other young purebloods would have sent a stronger message. Number 3. Severus Snape. Some Harry Potter fans consider Snape to be a romantic hero, while others believe he brought his suffering upon himself. He definitely wasn't forced into the dark arts and he made terrible choices. But there is no denying he had reason to hate his master. Voldemort not only threatened to kill Lily, but actually did it when Snape begged him not to. Snape then spent years playing the exhausting and dangerous role of a double agent to protect her son. Even though this is for entirely selfish reasons, Snape had more personal reason to kill Voldemort than any other. Number 4. Neville Longbottom. In many ways, Harry and Neville have very similar journeys, with the latter coming so close to being the chosen one. If Voldemort had seen the pureblood as the greater threat, not the half-blood like himself, it would have been the Longbottoms he visited that night, and Harry would be scar-free. But that did not happen. But Neville still has his reason for wanting revenge. Alice and Frank Longbottom were tortured into insanity by Voldemort's followers, which even Harry admits might be worse than death. Neville was one of many children whose lives were destroyed by the Wizarding Wars. His transformation to the confident young man in Deathly Hallows could not have had a more impactful ending than killing the one responsible. Number 5. Lily Potter. Despite only entering the Wizarding world at the age of 11, Lily's entire life is defined by Lord Voldemort. Not only does she lose her best friend Snape to his cause, but she has to tolerate the Muggle-born hatred incited by his power throughout her school years. And that's only half of it. As an adult, Lily is forced to watch her friends in the Order of Phoenix die at the hands of Voldemort and his followers. But the main reason she deserved to kill Voldemort is, of course, because he wanted to kill her son. The only thing more powerful than her sacrifice would have been her killing the Dark Lord to save her boy. So thanks a lot for watching Parallels. So this was the video about the characters who deserve to kill Voldemort. So let me know in the comment section which character deserve to kill Voldemort in your perception, and I might make a new video on that. So be sure to comment below, and if you like this video then please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you are new here because I keep bringing Harry Potter stuff every day. And also you can follow me on Instagram to enjoy the funny Harry Potter memes. Link is in the description. And now I will see you in my next one. Till then, take care, goodbye, and stay away from the Muggles.